Today, I will show you some strategies to make profit in copper trading. Copper is used in large quantities all over the world. For this reason, it is thought of as a commodity that moves closely in parallel with the world market. Copper trading strategies are: copper is a highly tradable commodity that has clear chart patterns. Copper is priced in US dollars, so the price of the dollar affects the price of copper. Trading strategies for copper include technical and fundamental analysis. Copper prices tend to do well when emerging markets are growing as demand drives mostly from building and construction. Next, why we trade copper. One advantage of copper trading is accessibility. Copper is traded through a variety of platforms like future, options, and on a spread betting platform. You can also gain exposure to copper via a copper ETF, that is exchange traded fund. Copper is a soft malleable metal with properties like gold and silver. It derives most of its demand from building, construction, transportation, equipment, and electronic products. It is a good conductor of electricity and heat, and therefore has a wide range of industrial uses, which also leads it to trade in high volumes. A good thing for traders because it leads to reduce spread and clear chart patterns. Movements in the price of copper are heavily dependent on demand from emerging market economies like China and India. During times of economic prosperity, these nations demand large quantities of copper, which increase the metal's price. Alternatively, during economic downturns, demand for copper drops and it so does the price. Traders should be aware of this dynamic when trading copper. Many copper traders use technical or fundamental analysis to inform their trading strategy, which helps a trader forecast whether the price of copper will rise or fall. Once a trader is confident in their forecast, he or she can buy or sell copper in an attempt to profit from a movement. So basically, in this way, a trading strategy can also help a trader to manage their risk, identify buy and sell signals in the market, and Set reasonable take profit and stop loss levels with a positive risk to reward ratio. Next, copper trades. Copper trading hours on the CME Globex and CME Clearport, that is Sunday to Friday 6 p.m. to 5 p.m. with a 60-minute break each day beginning at 5 p.m. Copper CFDs. One way to trade copper is through contracts for difference, that is CFDs, a derivative instrument. So, copper CFDs allow traders to speculate on the price of copper without actually owning bullions, ETFs, future options, or mining shares. Next, copper futures. What are copper futures? A copper futures contract is an arrangement whereby traders agree to sell or buy copper at a future date. Future traders use leverage to purchase contracts on an exchange. If price decline, the trader is required to provide additional funds to maintain the position. When a future contract is about to expire, the trader has to either accept the physical delivery of the commodity or roll the position forward to the next month. Copper futures require active maintenance of positions by the trader and so are the considered a more sophisticated way to trade. Next, career copper options. Sorry. Our copper options are profitable like future. Options are derivative with an expiration date. However, unlike futures, options trades are only successful if the price reach a set level by the expiration date. In exchange for the higher leverage and higher potential payouts, options traders pay a premium to own the options. Traders profit in options trading when the price increases enough to compensate the trader for the initial premium paid. Next, how to trade the copper exchange traded funds. Exchange traded funds trade as a shares on exchanges in the same way that stocks do. Traders can purchase exchange traded funds that include bullion, future, options, or some combination of the three. Other ETFs include ones that trade in copper mining stocks. ETFs also have a management fees that get passed on to the shareholders. Next, how to trade copper using the technical analysis. First, trending markets. Traders who use technical analysis will often have a different trading strategy based on the market condition. Market conditions refer to whether a market is trending or in consolidation. A professional trader will match his or her strategy to the current market condition. Have a look at the chart. This chart shows copper in an uptrend on a daily chart. A trending market is defined as a market consistently reaching for new price extremes. Traders could use a copper trading strategy that incorporates the use of oscillators or trend lines to look for buy and sell signals. There are other effective indicators that traders can also use to look for buy or sell signals that include the amongst others moving averages, slow stochastic, and the MACD moving average convergence divergence. Next, consolidating markets. A consolidating market will require a different strategy when trading copper. A consolidating market is identified as a market that is currently range bound. In a consolidating market, the trader will either look to sell copper at a previous high, that is resistance level, or to buy copper at a previous low, that is support level. The trader could then look to exit the market at the other end of the range. Consolidating market will eventually break out of their range, so it is important for traders to manage their risk using stop losses. Now have a look at a chart. This show copper on a 4 hourly chart during consolidation and eventually breaking out to the downside, that is orange cross. A trader would look the buy copper when it reached the green circle and take profit when the price reached the upper range, that is red circle, or to sell when the price reached for the red circle of the range and it looked to exit the trade when the price reached for the green circle. Next, copper trading. Copper trading tips for beginners and advanced copper traders. Traders should first identify the current market condition and then apply the appropriate copper trading strategy. Copper is priced in US dollars, so traders should be aware of movements in the US dollar. Demand from emerging markets could drive the price of copper in the longer run, so traders must be aware of the growth prospects from emerging markets like China, India, Brazil, and others. Risk management plays an important role in trading copper, as we recommended risking less than 5% of capital on all open trades. So, friends, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.